Alright, just make a note that I'm not too far from the airport, and I'm starting to smell gas. The wind has died down, and all of a sudden there's gas smell came up. And I'm a little, like, I'm not dizzy, but I feel just a little loopy. I suspect that maybe this gas smell could be contributing to it. It's very odd. Let me also say I almost drank a whole gallon of whole milk, and there is some congestion that came out. I noticed it when I had the cereal this morning, and then I mixed dried potatoes this evening and ate till I was very full. I think there's some kind of congestion, and it seems to be a kind of an upwelling of energy. Like if you look at Chinese medicine, I need to pull down that energy. It came from overconsumption, but I think the milk is causing an upwelling of energy that might be contributing to some heart issues I've had in the past. Overconsumption of whole milk, and I've had problems with cheese before where it's made my heart feel weak. Maybe now my body's becoming more sensitive to the whole milk of sorts as well. Just overconsumption, too much of dairy in general. Okay, so I've been using this buckle system for my picnic table fitness strap, to wrap around picnic tables for quite a few years. And now I've decided it's finally time for an upgrade because I need this to be more versatile. Alright, so I want it to be stronger. Alright, this is like the second buckle for this strap because the first one broke. This is not too strong. And I figure what the heck. I'm going to try to upgrade just to use this. So I'm going to break the thread on this and remove the buckle. And the biggest... Okay, the main thing I want is to have a good adjustment. Alright, so I'm thinking that I'm going to look for a metal like slider instead of using this plastic, because this will be the part where it breaks. But to be able to keep it adjustable for different widths on picnic tables, yeah, I'm going to want that metal one. Alright, but I'll stick with the plastic, but first I'll switch over from this belt buckle stuff to the carabiner. The carabiner will hold up a lot better, and I'll be able to use this strap for a wider range of things with the extra strength. Alright, helping out a guy jump his car. I don't even have jumper cables. He just bought his. So I'm sort of putting together this pattern here with the Speedy Stitcher, and it's pretty simple. I just want to have a lot of stitches, and each stitch has 12 pounds of strength. So I'm well, I got a lot of stitches. I'm covering my own body weight at least well if I wanted to use this for body weight. Okay, there's this bus that has like gymnastic stuff inside. It's called Magic Tumble Bus, and the website is tumbletimegymnastics.com. I saw something swinging as he was pulling over there. I guess they can. It's probably designed for kids or something. Looks like a lot of businesses on the northeast side of Boise, but there's a little more sprawl for the area. Things seem to be more spread out. But that's, I mean, that's how it is for the outskirts of Boise in general. Oh, looks like the Oregon grapes are ripening. I just had a squirrel freak out on me from kind of a long distance. I think they're a really good indicator on how much human activity is in an area. They are more tame around highly populated areas and a little more skittish from further distances when there's not as much human activity. There may be a lot of cars here, but I don't think people walk around much by this legal aid office.
Hi.
Hey, I'm looking for advice on like tow truck hearings.
Tow truck hearings?
Yep.
Okay. Unfortunately, we don't do that type of law here.
Oh, that's something else. Okay.
Yeah. I would recommend to get a hold of the state bar.
What's this?
Idaho State Bar, do you know that phone number?
Well, what's their website?
It would be, I just Google Idaho State Bar.
So I threw my library card back at the librarian and called it worthless here at the big Boise library. She, it expired. It's been 3 months now. I guess I've been 3 months in Boise. Much longer than I expected ever to be here. And she said the previous librarian made a mistake in allowing me to check out the laptops. So she said that that's no longer an option, that she was reducing my account status. And that's where I just, I could use like the regular computers, but I'm not interested in that. So I let her keep that library card, and I'm done using Boise, the Boise system. Just gonna use it for the free Wi-Fi on my own computer. That's it. Okay, Americana Drive. Looks like the homeless population is reestablishing itself. Alright, so I'm looking for LaborMAX, and it's a few blocks down Main Street. I'm on the 18th, they're on the 23rd. Going through the Red Lion parking lot. It's heating up out here. Characters. I've never been down here, like bicycling around or whatnot. Maybe drove around. Might have driven by here. I've never really been here on foot. Oh yeah, actually I have. There's fairly reliable Bob's. That one's a familiar one. It's on 18th, did I say? Oh no, it's on 23rd, I passed it. Okay, so as busy as LaborMAX is on Craigslist, it really piques my interest. It looks like nothing. It looks like a lower class type of employment place. We'll have to find out. understand you employ it for a variety of stuff, so I've seen it on Craigslist and all, so who posts on Craigslist. Okay, so I was at LaborMAX, and they operate a little bit differently. Okay, it's like, it seems hands-on. I'm not sure. It's definitely not like Manpower. I think I was blacklisted from Manpower. In LaborMAX, I could probably get blacklisted as well, but we don't know each other. I'll just have to show them my resume, which, oh my god. But that sounds like they got a lot of menial stuff. It wouldn't matter in my experience. Full-time work is a possibility. Just depends. I just have to see what they offer for full-time. I could use the money, and they take $1 off. I'm guessing. I asked him how much he cuts from the pay to find you the work, and he said about $1 roughly. But yeah, I guess I'll just try to find some labor to do while I wait here for my court date, and then I'm bouncing out. I never heard of LaborMAX, so my reputation isn't going to follow me. I think they're kind of a local setup. I went in there asking for a jobs list to see what they had available. They didn't have anything. They said come in between 6 and 11 and just fill out stuff. That's where they appoint people to jobs or whatever. I'm interested. Actually, tomorrow, though, I gotta go to the food bank in Meridian. It's a new month, so everything, all my food bank stops reset. That's actually immediate reward right there. I think I'd rather do the food bank. But LaborMAX maybe on Friday? What are these bicycles all about? I just park my bicycle and what? Oh my god. So they're musical. Weird. There are a lot of geese out there in the park. This looks like fun.
in the shade. Are they gonna be fixing their own bike, or they're?
No, they're doing the one that's already been fixed up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just because a lot of them, like one flies straight to Pocatello up on the east,
right.
you know, so just for the sake of making sure we actually get them a reliable sensor.
Right. Yeah, I remember talking about when we do for people.